I wanted to start by saying thank you to everyone for showing up, and thank you for being the best part of Green Valley International. It's an honor to be here, and as a fellow UC Berkeley alumni, along with Dr. Gua in the field of geography and GIST, this company has truly made leaps and bounds in innovation, and it is truly an absolute pleasure to be here. I will now be introducing our hardware product range, starting with that of our LiAir series, which has been our most economic but also thriving part of our hardware line, starting with our LiAir V70, moving on to our LiAir X series, which, as mentioned by Dr. Gua, is going to have a plethora of AI technologies. From left to right, we'll start with our lightweight LiDAR systems, mainly utilized and coupled with multi-wing rotored craft such as the DJI M300. We have our LiAir X3, our X3c, our 220N, and our 250 Pro. Moving over to our medium range craft, we have our LiAir H1500 and H1800, best suited for fixed wing and multi-wing drones. And then moving over to our heavyweight LiAir E1500, specifically designed to work with helicopters, mainly within the power line sector. Our LiAR systems are designed to be an all-in-one solution from our LiAir and coupled with our Green Valley app, moving on to our high-quality LiDAR data acquisition platforms for our LiAir and HE series with friendly web user interfaces. The data then would be processed within our LiGeoReference pre-processing software, which combines navigation, 3D point cloud calculation, point cloud colorization, and trajectory adjustments. From there, you would move your data within LiDAR 360, which is our data post-processing software. It has a plethora of tools, including individual tree segmentation, 2D and 3D vector editing, and editing of DEMs, contour lines, and much more. Within LiPowerline, you have the ability to do fine inspection, route generation, automated danger point analysis, and reporting. Our flight control software allows for real-time 3D point cloud display, device status remote monitoring and parameter settings, real-time detection of power line tree barrier danger points, and DSM terrain simulation along with real-time terrain simulation functions. Our one-stop data processing solutions are self-developed and patented, allowing for strong data processing calculation algorithms, automatic point cloud classification, including ground points, buildings, and power lines, automatic point cloud smoothing, along with placement angle calculation. Our system allows and supports a series of platforms, formats, including Navitel, Rhinex, and RTCM. We allow for several different types of post-trajectory imports, and it supports several different output trajectory, including accuracy reports, checking the number of satellites, your attitude, position, and PDOT. It's very comparable to that of the IE solutions accuracy. Our post-processing software, as mentioned before, is called LiDAR 360. It comes with a core module allowing for massive multi-source data visualization, rich point cloud processing tools, multiple data format conversions, 2D and 3D integrated platforms, and supports multiple display effects. Within there, you have individual modules. We have our forestry section, which is both ALS and TLS. The ALS allows for forest parameter extractions, such as leaf area index and gap fractions. We have our terrestrial based, which is designed to collect DBH diameter measurements, point cloud seed editing, and individual tree point cloud editing. We have our terrain module, which allows for trajectory splicing, coordinate transformation, classification and editing of point cloud 3D and 2D vector editing, along with generating DEMs, contour lines, tin models, and more. We have a power line module that allows for real-time condition analysis, showing danger point detection and along with classification of transmission towers. We have a mining module that allows for tunnel point extraction, tangent and normal calculations, tin modeling, and Poisson modeling. proud to announce the release of our newest LiAir product, which is our LiAir X3c. We'll give a brief video. As you can see, very brief. It's a new generation of light and small UAV LiDAR systems, weighing in at only 1.1 kilograms, designed to work with the M300. It has a built-in 26 megapixel camera, along with the equipped Hesai XT32M sensor platform with a maximum range of 300 meters. It is easy to use with a one-click operation, a one-click data input into the software, and point cloud processing. It has an intelligent data storage, allowing you to copy all of the data, including the camera, the radar, and the inertial navigation system, into one project folder with a 256 gigabyte removable SD card. No need to power on the device. You can copy at speeds of up to 80 megabits per second, making it very quick and usable in the field. The remote operation supports Wi-Fi and our Green Valley app, which can edit parameter settings and status monitoring of 3D real-time point cloud display. Our AI real-time terrain simulation function, as Dr. Guo had mentioned earlier, allows you to be in the field and actually move along in real time as the terrain moves while you are flying. This makes it much easier, and mentioned, you are no longer in need of a DSM prior to entering the field. You can get to the field and automatically fly your flights with intelligent AI backing the terrain following function. You can predict the terrain ahead of time, and with the aircraft, it can land at a safe distance from the object, which it will automatically hover and make it much safer and more efficient for the user. Our X3H has a new handheld solution. This is a gimbal-based solution, making it so that you have an aerial-based unit that also has the capabilities of being a handheld unit. Coupling the two of those together, you get both aerial and terrestrial data for the most data-intensive sets of information that you can give to your client. We also have an adjustable mount that can be manually adjusted. This is perfect for the use of scanning facades, such as buildings and bridges. This makes it a multi-purpose, multi-platform unit. Our AI power line following algorithms, as mentioned earlier, will automatically follow above the power line for power line danger points detection. It'll automatically identify power line towers and for the best inspection of those towers. It will also fly alongside, parallel to the power line for wire defect identification and detection. This is very critical within our grid system because we need to detect these issues long before they become an issue. The roadmap AI future that we see with our systems, starting now, which is our Air Pilot 2.0 plus X3. It is designed with the use of power inspection, autonomous power line detection, both above the line, and tree obstacle detection. It is designed to be a fixed-angled LiDAR. Now, we're slowly moving into Air Pilot 3.0, X3 with an AI camera. It's also used for power inspection, but a bit more when it comes to terrain surveying and mapping. It's autonomous power line detection above and side, image learning and defect recognition, real-time terrain imitation without a DSM. This makes it very user-friendly and capable of being used across the board by many different companies. You do not need someone who has a PhD in order to operate this unit and get the best results. This is also a fixed-angled LiDAR plus AI camera. In 2024, we look to release Air Pilot 4.0 with our X4 and AI camera. This would be used for closed mines, bridges, forests, and semi-enclosed spaces. This is a huge move forward in the world of LiDAR. This has been one of the biggest hurdles in the aspect of LiDAR. So moving there, AI is going to be the one that puts us in front of everybody else. The functions are autonomous route planning and obstacle avoidance, along with fusion SLAM algorithms. The solution will be a rotating LiDAR plus AI camera. Moving now onto our terrestrial level. As you can see, we have a suite of hardware, which was mentioned by Dr. Guo himself. Here is a brief video introducing what is now our newest LiGrip.
Looking for ways to expand the capabilities of your handheld laser scanning devices and make the most of their potential? The LiGrip H300, a game changer equipped with an enhanced XT32M laser, experiences rapid 32-channel scanning up to 300 meters with a point cloud density of up to 640,000 points per second. From main and distribution network inspections to drone-mounted scanning and fast-paced vehicle-mounted scenarios, LiGrip H300 delivers exceptional performance. Weighing in at just 1.65 kilograms, it ensures effortless handling during prolonged operations. Its integrated Leica camera system enhances image quality by 135% more than the previous model. Even in challenging environments like tunnels and low-light areas, expect exceptional clarity and accuracy. Through time-lapse photography, image volume is reduced by impressive 40 times, boosting data processing efficiency. Its RTK plus PPK mode allows for high-precision SLAM with absolute coordinate accuracy of up to 5 centimeters, even in core signal-free areas. Real-time data processing and closed-loop feedback streamline your workflow like never before. Seamless integrate with LiDAR 360 post-processing software, unleashing the full potential of mining modeling, volume calculation, single tree segmentation, species identification, mesh modeling, and more. With LiDAR 360 MLS software, effortlessly measure floor plans and elevations, conduct urban road census surveys, and achieve one-stop result output across various scenarios. Maximize the value of your equipment and take on any challenge with confidence using the LiGrip H300, the epitome of precision and performance.
Just to highlight some of the features that we saw within that video, the LiGrip H300 is truly groundbreaking. A 300-meter scan range, nearly doubling that of our previous model, allowing for 640,000 points per second, RTK SLAM and PPK SLAM. This is huge moving forward. Real-time processing and multi-platform mounted. 6K resolution with a CMOS detachable panoramic camera. It is also extremely lightweight at 1.3 kilograms. Our new LiFuser BP software allows for processing speeds that have increased by up to 50% on average compared to previous versions, allowing the processing times of under an hour for all of the data within our software. Image data stitching is now integrated within LiFuser BP for one-stop processing. Again, end-to-end turnkey solutions with GBI. The multi-platform application of this unit is truly what sets it apart. It's going to give the ability to have one single unit that can be put onto a drone, wearable on a backpack, or also on a vehicle. You can get backpack disassembly within a minute. Total weight design of this system would be 6.5 kilograms. Our vehicle kit allows for an assembly in under 5 minutes, along with enhanced GNSS and RTK. The aerial disassembly and assembly would be around 5 minutes, with a self-powered drone, a takeoff weight of 2.45 kilograms, allowing it to fit on most commercial-based units, such as that of the M300. The drone endurance lifetime, or battery life, would be around 25 minutes, allowing for a full day of several scans. Our light backpack DGC-50H is our newest iteration of our DGC-50, which you can see when you walk into the building here. It is now using 5.7K time-lapse photography, which has reduced the processing times, as stated, by 50%. It is 8.6 kilograms, extremely lightweight, allowing a user to wear it for an entire day without true exhaustion or fatigue occurring. Real-time processing, which you can see within the friendly user interface. One-click generation, 640,000 scan points per second, and an accuracy of plus or minus 5 centimeters. Our post-processing software, the data can easily be imported into LiDAR 360, combined with our newest feature extraction software, LiDAR 360 MLS. The vectorization of roads and ancillary features can be quickly realized, and the facade surveying and mapping will become much more convenient for your users. Our LiPod is a terrestrial-based scanner that uses single-station scanning and multi-station stitching to achieve coverage of an entire survey area, which is suitable for scenarios with high accuracy requirements. And with LiFuser Pod, you can achieve a point cloud registration extremely quickly. It's cost-effective with a selling price of around $15,000 and a high accuracy of up to 1 to 2 centimeters. Easy to use Wi-Fi direct connection user interface along with a website control panel as well. This allows for real-time point cloud display so you can see as your data is being generated that you're getting the quality or the features that you were looking for while doing your scans. It's extremely lightweight at only 3.5 kilograms, making it very easy to move about in a series of a few seconds between your scans. It has a 4-hour battery life, meaning that you can continuously scan for 4 hours without any interruptions. Our terrestrial series are extremely capable of doing product solutions such as that of topographic mapping, volume measurements, buildings, 3D modeling, mines, underground spaces, and forestry, as mentioned by Dr. Gua. Moving on to our LiMobile, this is a customizable modular design, combined GNSS, INS, LiDAR, and camera. It's a consumer-grade price, making it efficient and effective for cities across the nation and across the world. Our high accuracy mapping levels achieve, again, plus or minus 5 centimeters of accuracy. It's easily transported at under 4.7 kilograms, easy folding and storage. It has a multiple power module supporting all-weather operation, making it so that you can operate in the rain if need be. Not suggested, but if need be. Our next generation in vehicle product plan will house SLAM algorithms, including RTK positioning, multi-camera expansion, and specified sensor options. Now a short video of our LiMobile. Moving on, we have our LiMobile HD. This is a Regal-based system with industrial-grade panoramic camera. This can also be customized. Currently, that is a Ladybug FLIR. It has high mapping grade accuracy of below 5 centimeters. It offers a 1.8 million points per second. This is high. A scan range of 475 meters, 30 megapixel camera, a retractable roof bracket to solve the problem of rear vehicle obscursion. Factory ready, no need for a calibration drive. A multi-group power module supply also allows for all-weather operation. Our LiMobile solution, vectorization, allows for accurate collection of lane lines and sidewalks when coupled with LiDAR 360 MLS, strip terrain mapping, along with 3D city modeling. Moving targets can be captured in real time, giving information about the road and the surroundings, combined with high-precision map data and assisted driving for autonomous driving. Complete scan of road components, including senses of road assets, allows for the building of a digital city platform, moving forward towards a smart world, including smart cities. Our LiProtect, as mentioned before, is a real-time solution for security or for monitoring. It offers a 450-meter scan range, along with a 6-megapixel camera, 240,000 points per second. It is extremely lightweight and has a weather rating of an IP66, extremely high level protection. The linkage operation allows for point cloud combined with the image for true representation of site conditions. The ultimate response, meaning that it has an alarm warning of 3 seconds and a response time background transmission of 8 seconds, allowing feedback to the relevant personnel to actively monitor what is happening on a site. Support for solar and mobile power supply. This is huge as well when you're out where it is limited on your aspects of power supply, but you have availability when it comes to solar. It is a rich point cloud platform, features support point cloud image real-time rendering and remote monitoring of equipment, status remote firmware upgrade, and more. Our LiProtect product solutions allows for monitoring of power lines and buildings, bridges, forestry, and traffic, and including stock volume specifications. I wanted to thank you all for coming again, and thank you for being the best part of Green Valley International.